Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's video, it is a Tuesday. It's a Tuesday before the Minecraft movie is released, and McDonald's has not only a new Happy Meal, a Minecraft Happy Meal, they have an adult Happy Meal as well. 2 meals, Minecraft meals. So we're going to take a look, and we're going to just take a look at these meals and see what's inside. So we'll start with the Happy Meal here. They've got these little punch tabs here. I guess this appears to be a goat or a sheep. Minecraft movie. A Minecraft movie only in theaters. And the back, of course, is the typical smile, but done in Minecraft style. And here's the toy that's inside. This is actually number one. Number one. Got a lot of packaging with these toys anymore. I think McDonald's make better toys and use less packaging. Let's see what this little creature is here. So we've got stickers put on it. And it is a cubed shrub. Oh, look at that, it opens up. We've got a sheep on top. Oh, it's like a puzzle. And you put the sheep on top there. There you go. Meh. Meh. And I guess you can lay these out. You collect all 6 and you can connect them. Except the people don't move on top of them. Check out I guess there's 12 toys, so there's 6 of them that are like this, and then there are 6 of them that are individualized toys. So that is the Minecraft movie here. Minecraft movie Happy Meal. The stickers allow you to put the water. I guess I've never played Minecraft, so I just know it's a video game that's quite popular with young people for the most part. We'll put these stickers inside here. Alright, so now let's see. See the interconnect, and you put the stickers there, and you have a landscape, and you get other ones, you can connect them together. Alright, now let's check what's inside the adult Happy Meal. I did get something special in here. We'll try to. They have a special sauce. So I got the chicken nuggets. Here's the adult Happy Meal toy, or collector figure. And the special sauce is called Nether Flame Sauce. So it's flame sauce from the Netherworld. Got the chicken nuggets there. Save that for the very end. Oh, they got a special sticker on here. Man, they don't want anybody getting these. McDonald's, I know these are adult Happy Meals, and McDonald's toys are somewhat collectible, but I don't think these are going to be so collectible that you have to put a special sticker on the box. There's a collector's card. This is the Big Mac crystal, apparently. So we're gonna have a Big Mac here. And here we are, right there. We have A Big Mac. Big Mac Crystal. Does it open up or anything? It's just a cube, I guess. Just a giant Big Mac cube. Mined from the sea of special sauce, this precious block derives its radiant shine from melty cheese and a toasty sesame seed bun. Scan to unlock your exclusive in-game item in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So they got a thing that you can scan. Alright. And now let's try these. This special, the nether flame sauce. It looks kind of like barbecue sauce. It smells like a hot sauce. Chicken nugget. Here we go. Yep, that is a hot sauce. Ooh. It's kind of just what it is just hot sauce. So it tastes like Tabasco sauce. Ooh. Tabasco sauce is basically what it is. I understand why I put those on the adult meal, because kids would not know what to expect and probably be too spicy for them, in all honesty. So there we have it. We have the adult toy, which is kind of our collector thing. This one is a Big Mac with a card there. And we got the little expandable sheep thing. Is it a sheep or is it a goat? Those of you who play Minecraft, let me know in the comments. I think it's a sheep. Looks like a sheep to me. But it could be a goat. Right now, limited time here for the Mickey D's Minecraft meals. You've got the Happy Meal, Minecraft Happy Meal, and the adult Happy Meal. For a limited time, basically for the next 3-4 weeks. You can get these at your local McDonald's as well. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.